Finally got some new tires for the diesel motorcycle. Now I've already replaced the front tire, and this was the first time I've ever changed a motorcycle tire. It wasn't too bad, so let's do the rear tire. Now the tires I bought are Amazon specials called Shinko? Made in Korea. Well, that was pretty easy. Well, this rim isn't the nicest thing ever, so I feel no guilt for scratching it up with my tire spoons here in a minute. Just look how sketchy this thing is. Doesn't even hold air. It's fixing to kill me. Just soapy water. Watch your ear holes. That wasn't too bad. Now these tires are directional. I don't know if all motorcycle tires are or not, so I don't want to donk this up. Got me a nice arrow on there. Now I don't know how this pertains in the motorcycle world, but generally you line up the dot with the valve stem on the rim. I think it's less likely to need balanced. Oh, I gotta have that. I didn't get a new valve stem, so you know, that's probably what's gonna leak. And look at that, valve stem's leaking. Now let this be a lesson to you. Well, a trip to town with two boys only took 1 second. Let's put this in.
I must put this chamber inside.
Ah! Well, luckily I was able to replace that without breaking the whole tire down. I just had to break the bead and push pretty hard. Let me know in the comments if you think I should pull those wheel weights off. Pretty good workout. Alright, we got them new tires and it's a beautiful day out, so let's take this thing for a spin. So we're at the old shop right now, so let's just drive to the new shop. We'll see if our sticker survives the journey. Shop floor is so nice, except for this graffiti. I don't know what's up with that. All right, let's christen it. That's probably a great way to get your tire running lopsided. There, our sticker's gone. Well done. Well, I need a little bit of practice doing burnouts. It's not as easy as it looks. Well, I'm impressed. This is about the heaviest dirt bike you'll ever find. And it did okay on the gravel. Well, don't worry, I haven't forgotten about the diesel bike project. Been pretty busy building this shop on my off days, but as soon as this project chills out, I'll get back on it. So I'm going to wait to do any of the cosmetics for this bike because I still haven't done any cosmetics other than the lights until I do a thorough durability test of it. Now that I got the new tires, I can drive it safely on the road. And also I should probably get it inspected and make it legal first in reality. All right, we'll catch you guys in the next one.